Welcome to Ninh Binh! This is a hidden gem in Vietnam. This is the best time to visit this before it becomes really busy. It's only 100 kilometers south of Hanoi, so it's a 2-hour bus journey. This has been quite a good surprise.
Nice view.
Yeah, magnificent. What have we just found? One of Christiana's favorite animals.
No, my favorite is a pig.
Hey, goatee, goatee.
Oh,
Ah, they just found a baby goat. We just found some goats on the road, goats on the road. This feels like real Vietnam, rural Vietnam. Nothing compared from the other cities.
Of course.
Yeah. Real Vietnamese life. This is so cinematic. You can spend hours over here taking photos, filming. This is beautiful. Oh!
it's very strange how these mountains are made, because all around is flat and then you just got the mountain.
Yeah.
And look at that one.
Right in the middle of this field you got these big rocks.
Yeah.
Very strange, but it's very beautiful. That's why it
was made.
gives this uniqueness. We're going through the middle of the rice fields. We've got our guides, Sandra in the front and Christiana on the back, so me and Morgan don't get lost. Yeah. Yeah.
Be careful where you put your feet.
Yes, madam.
Always look straight.
You really look like a guide, you know. We're taking a shortcut. We're supposed to take the main road over there, but we're just going through the middle of the rice fields. Ah! Okay, we've had a problem. You've got small legs. These guys are electrocuting the fish. It's not a safe way to do this. Using electricity and water. It's not a good idea. What? Ah, those pink things on mushrooms. What is this? I have no idea.
Eggs.
Strange. We're going through another bamboo bridge. Wow. Christian's taking a photo of Sandra and Morgan. Pose for the photos. By the way, go follow them. Facebook, Easy Way of Life.
Yeah. Easy Way of Life. Don't forget to follow us.
Same.
But different.
Yeah. But you got your backpack. Pumba. Just found a wild hog over here, and there's a few goats as well around this area. Nature at its best.
Bam, 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 bam. Sorry.
Bam, 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 bam. Sorry. Okay, we just stopped for lunch. Fried rice with pork. First served. Me and Morgan having the same. What are you doing?
Snapchat.
Lemongrass with rice. Ow. Hot.
Very hot.
Lemon juice. And Sandra's got catfish with pineapple. Okay, we are on the boat. There they go. Feeling a bit scared? Okay, let's go. You enjoying it, Christina?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Very peaceful.
Oh yeah.
Very peaceful.
Okay, so we didn't have Ninh Binh on our plans when he came over here, but
it's very beautiful. Don't miss it because it's well worth it.
yeah, it's like an introduction to Halong Bay. You have to visit this. Is this familiar with anything we've seen recently?
No.
No? You sure?
This is magical. There's nothing similar to this.
Yeah, but there's a movie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but don't tell. No, don't tell them. We shall show a small clip in a few minutes. Oh no! Look what we're going through. We're going for a cave. We're going for a cave. And this is really, really cool. Going through a cave like this.
So lucky about the weather. Today's not even cold like it's been for the past couple of days.
Yeah, it's been raining the day we arrived.
Very lucky today. Tomorrow we go into another city.
Yeah.
We don't know where. Oh well, we know, you don't.
Yeah. You shall see. That is what's called a man's cave. I'm gonna have one of those one day. In the middle of the mountain, get my PS3, FIFA all the time, man cave. That one shall be mine one day. Your lady, she's already tired. She's paddling with her legs.
And look what's coming again. Another cave.
Cave, a cave, singing on a cave, singing on a cave. Watch your head. This is our second cave. Oh. Mind your head, mind your head. Okay, we're gonna reveal the scenery of this. Do you want to give us the honor?
King Kong's Call.
Island.
Get the hell out of here!
Oh, my Pukinha Lola. There's a pig.
Pukinha Lola, remember from Dondet?
Lola the pig. I love
Yeah.
No!
There's Lola the pig.
Wait.
She's leaving. Pumbaa! Come back, Pumbaa! Christiana dreams is one day to own a pig.
This is the end of our boat trip.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop right there. And it was fantastic.
Yeah.
It was very good.
Well worth it.
Well worth it.
Yeah.
Price for this was 390,000
$1,000 dong.
dong, yeah. Which is
14, 15 euro.
15 euro, yeah.
About 13 pounds.
With everything for 2 people.
Yeah.
Boat included, and the entry tickets for the caves as well.
We just missed King Kong coming from the mountains.
So he's somewhere there.
Hiding, yeah.
Hiding in the mountains.
Big Kong.
Ping Kong.
King Kong. Pumbaa. Pumbaa. Now we just need to find Timon. Where is Timon? Dinner time. We return to the same restaurant. Spring rolls, mixed salads. There we are.
Light today.
And Christiana's food.
Voilà.
Very nice.
And that's how you don't gain weight.
Funny, not funny.
Ah, this is what I'm talking about.
What is this?
Pho
Ga. Ga stands for?
chicken.
Exactement. We've got that phobo. One for me. Merci. And same for more. Fresh chili. Everyone makes phobo quite differently. This one's got tomato. And we've got the clown over here. Okay, we just returned to our hotel. We'll finish it over here.
Don't forget to follow us.
Yeah.
Very important.
Okay, bye bye.